magluto. Pero nung food fest, naging instant chef ka. Pabonggahan pa.
For sure tayo naman nanalo dito kasi yung coffee jelly natin, hindi ordinaryo. Ito ay coffee ko na kulay rosas. Ang lambot-lambot pag hinimas-himas. Hindi kagaya ng iba dyan.
Kapal, yun na yun. If I know yung tubig na ginamit nyo dyan galing nawasa. Tingnan nyo tong amin. Kifi jelly. Pasabog to. Hit it! O, loko! Kifi jelly na nakakababae. Pag yung sinip-sip, ikaw ay sisikip. Ano?
Tingnan natin. Nice plating, ha? I like it. Ay, ma'am, dito ka sa amin. May pa-pre-taste kami. Dali, try nyo. Nice. Sure, dear.
Ay, ma'am, dito ka. Huwag ka dyan, yung main ingredient ng coffee jelly nila, salmonella. Try mo yung sa amin. 2 hours namin tong pinakulo ang coffee jelly para nanunuot yung lasa ng kape. Tara na, ma'am! Let's go!
Sige, yan na lang pala. In fairness, parang yung mukha mo yung napakuluan na. Ma'am! This coffee jelly consists of 11 secret ingredients with a kick of a rose aroma, pure caffeine with free Wi-Fi password and CR pass for all neutral genders, and hindi barado, may bidet, plus hindi mapangkik.
Ay, bongga. Napaka-cheap naman ang service ninyo. Etong coffee jelly namin has Wi-Fi with Wi-Fi password, router, and a speed up to 300 Mbps. May DTI permit, FDA approved, at bibigyan pa namin kayo ng staycation sa Resorts World or Okada hatid sundo.
Ay, may pa-staycation. Gusto ko yan. But our offer doesn't end there. Ma'am, if you avail one coffee jelly, you'll also get 5K worth of grocery products with free massage to your husband.
Ay, sobra naman ito na.
Free manicure and pedicure for your mother.
Totoo ba?
5K worth of robots for your son and daughter.
Matutuwa sila nito.
And of 7 days and 2 nights stay to Singapore for the whole family for only 15 pesos. Ma'am, lemonade?
Are you sure na gusto mong i-compare yung lemonade ninyo sa aming cucumber lemonade? Our cucumber lemonade has L-carnitine, glutathione, collagen, at syempre meron pang kasamang gin 4 cantos totang pinigaan ng calamansi juice. At syempre may kasama pang pulutan at kainuman. At kung gusto mo magmamauwi pa ako, ma'am.
Kahit cucumber na lang. Sa asim mong yan, pwede ka nang pamalit ng lemonade. May papulutan?
Di ba nanalo ka naman ng 5K worth of grocery? Ikaw na bumili, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is not just an ordinary lemonade. This is a classic lemonade. As the saying goes by, time is gold.
Anong connect?
It remains classic, but unforgettable.
Sasabi mo. Lakas ng amats nito.
Go ahead na po.
But ma'am, before you step out of your comfort zone, allow us to give you this special token of appreciation presented this 13th of July, year 2024 for your special participation in this food fest presented to you by the one and only Rizal Section.
Ay, ma'am, wait lang sandali. O, bago ka umalis, papabaunan ka namin ng mga to. O, dahil naniniwala kami, ma'am, na dapat hindi lang ikaw ang tsumibog. Dapat pati pamilya mo busog, di ba? Tingnan mo tong kapatid ko. Busog na busog, oh. At sabog na sabog. O, ito na, ma'am. Thank you!
Sobra na to.
Sasamugin.
O siya, I have to go na, may kasi pa ako. Diyan na yung mga judge din in a bit. Boys, tulungan niyo ako dito, may mga groceries pa. Salamat ha. Judge? Hindi si ma'am?
Ay, hindi pa si Ma'am Castro yung judge. Hindi si Ma'am Castro yung...
Okay, what session is this?
Ubus...
Please present your dish.